Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Toyota Crown, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all of the contaminants from the lens with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any other coating, you can use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And you're going to need a clean microfiber towel to remove all the contaminants. So spray your slip solution to the lens, and with your towel, remove all the contaminants that the lens may have, and also clean around the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else on the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, so once we finish with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So we're going to apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just place the film and align it to this section here. So you will have these three flaps here. So this curve here covers this section inside. This top one just covers the top here. And then this top one here covers a little bit of the top section up here. So make sure when you do the alignment, you have it right on the edge where all these three pieces can stay flat. And then to help it tack down faster, once you align it, carefully lift it, apply tack solution, set it back down, apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee and start tacking it down slowly. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film, that way we don't leave any water bubbles. And then if the film is not sitting with just the tack solution, we can also apply heat using a heat gun or a hair dryer. That would help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Okay, so just secure this section here. Once it's secured, go ahead and just continue on this side here. Apply tack solution. Place the film down, make sure to keep it aligned. And then apply tack solution on top, that way our squeegee is able to glide. And remove all of the solution from underneath the film, and you should be good. Make sure to keep everything aligned. Okay, and now we'll focus on helping this section here tack down, that way it doesn't lift over time. Okay, so for this section here, in order for it to stay secure in case it is lifting, just apply tack solution. Squeegee out the solution from underneath first before we apply heat. That way we don't leave any water bubbles underneath the film. Okay, once you make sure that you don't have any water bubbles underneath the film, go ahead and just grab your heat device. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Apply heat around this section here. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. That way we prevent the film from lifting over time. So you can use the lowest setting, apply heat evenly. Do not focus on one area for too long because you may accidentally burn the film. So low setting, spread the heat evenly. And after you apply heat, just grab your microfiber towel to help it tack down. You can also wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee. and just hold it in position for a couple seconds. That way the adhesive activates faster. Okay, and then you would just seal the top edge too, because it will be lifting just a little bit. So just do the same process. Apply heat. And once you're done securing and finishing installing this piece, we can move on with this strip right here. Okay, so for the film that covers this section of the headlight lens, just grab your slip solution and only apply just a little bit. That way it's easier to just align and tack it down as soon as possible. The reason being is because since it is a small area to work with, we need to make sure we just align it and tack it down quick. That way we secure it. You can start by aligning the film either here or on this side. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure wherever you start, align it on the edge and making sure you have enough material to cover the top section here and to cover the face of the lens right here. So right here should be good. Apply tack solution and tack it down to secure it. You may notice some small fingers on the curved section here and also towards the end here. Those fingers, we could tack them down by applying a little bit of heat with tack solution. Okay, so this section is secured. So all we need to do now is just lift the film carefully and align it as we go and do the installation as we do it. So make sure it stays aligned, secure it as you go. And if you feel that the film is misaligning because of the slip solution, you can always lift it and apply tack solution. This will help the adhesive activate faster. Okay, and to help tack down the top section and help remove any small fingers that you may encounter, just grab your tack solution, apply it where you see the fingers on top. Grab your heat device, use the lowest setting, apply heat just like how we did it here. Make sure to apply it evenly. And after you finish applying heat, go ahead and just grab your microfiber towel, wrap it around your squeegee, and do the same thing, just help it tack down like this. Hold it for a couple seconds, that way the film sits on the top section here. And that's pretty much it. Everything should look flat like this. No lifting, no fingers. So you'll just do this all across to seal the top edge, and then we should be good. And then the last thing to do once you finish with the installation is to post heat. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post heat everything. So you're going to need tack solution and spray it onto the entire lens. You need your heat gun. You can also use a hairdryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive activate faster, and also if there is any fingers lifting, we help it tack back down with heat and a microfiber towel to tack it down. And also we're going to help the adhesive activate faster by post heating. So take your time applying heat, make sure to apply it evenly, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Toyota Crown. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also, don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the Toyota Crown. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.